So chances are pretty good when you visit businesses in your area, you see some people that are wearing masks and some people who are not wearing masks.
Tonight, leaders in Maine's largest city are expected to vote on whether a mask mandate for all indoor public places should be reinstated regardless of vaccination status. News Center Maine's Chloe Thibault joins us live this morning from Portland City Hall with a preview of all the details. And good morning, Chloe.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, that Portland City Council meeting comes after a workshop last Wednesday night requested by City Councilor Andrew Zarro to discuss this idea. Earlier this month, the city's Health and Human Services Department released a memo recommending a citywide indoor mask mandate be adopted. Now, in that memo, officials noted Cumberland County had a high or substantial transmission rate of COVID-19 throughout August. They also pointed out at least 7 states, Washington, D.C., and Puerto Rico have now mandated the use of masks indoors. I spoke with Portland's Mayor Kate Snyder. She says some city councilors are cautious about a mandate since Portland doesn't have enough city staff members to enforce the rules and actually monitor whether businesses are complying. The mayor and her colleagues are also trying to determine whether a mandate is what businesses and the general community want. She says she's heard from lots of people, including business owners, who are interested in a citywide mandate. For example, so a business's requirement for people to wear a mask could be more enforceable. She says she's also heard from people, though, who don't want a mandate. That's either because they don't want another layer of enforcement, they feel they're doing well without a mandate, or they don't want masks to be required for people who are vaccinated.
That's exactly the challenge. How do we balance the right thing from a public health perspective with the right thing from a day-to-day reasonable management of how people are going about their lives and conducting their business, really. And so we want to balance this in just the right way, where we're taking care of our community from a public health perspective, but we're also taking care of our community that we recognize is just making its way out of a very tough year.
The meeting for Portland City Councilors to discuss and vote on this proposal will be happening tonight at 6 p.m. and News Center Maine will be following this story throughout the day, keeping you updated on air and online. Live in Portland this morning, Chloe Thibault, News Center Maine.